recording. What's up, everybody? Jared here. So it's CES 2017 and everybody's busy making videos. I'm not over there, sadly, so I can't make any videos until the end to sort of recap things. I thought I'd take this opportunity in the meantime to fix a problem and start a project at the same time, I guess, that has plagued me ever since I moved into this house, which is the room echo, the room reverb, which drives me nuts and has only been exaggerated lately. And some of you guys have even mentioned it in the comments. As of a couple of weeks ago, I removed a bunch of furniture on this side. You can see that there's no more TV there. There's no floating shelf or anything like that. I just wanted to open the space up and give myself some more room. But I wanted to make some sound deadening boards or deafening boards, or there's a technical term. Anyways, I found some great videos on YouTube. There's dozens and dozens of them. I don't know who originally came up with the idea, but basically all you're using is some cheap wooden framing and a ton of towels. And I actually have, check this out. I went to the thrift store today and I bought 3 bags of towels. There's, I think, like 15 towels in here. And all we're gonna be doing is sandwiching them together, cutting them to shape of the frame that I want, which I decided was gonna be 25 inches by 25 inches, so I can kind of make a cool little grid. And eventually I should be able to eliminate this room reverb problem, because as you can tell as I'm talking right now, there's a lot of room reverb. It's even worse over here. Here. So having said that, I've got a stack of 1x2 in the garage for the frames, and then I've got all these towels, and all I have to do now is pick a fabric and maybe a pattern if I want one, to sort of be on the outside to kind of hold it all in. But anyways, I'll continue this video once I get all the stuff together. Okay, so the first step I needed to do was obviously build the frame. So I went down to Home Depot and I picked up some 1x2, I think pine wood. Really cheap. It was like 15 bucks to cover enough for 6 frames. Now once I got my frames built, I needed to wrap the first layer of towel around, sort of, I guess you could call it the front of the frame. And this is what's gonna keep all of the interior towels in place. Once I'd finished stapling the exterior sort of front towel to the frame, I just wanted to cut the excess towel off so we don't have a bunch of stuff flapping around and looking ugly. And once I had gotten that done, I just simply took a bunch of towels that were going to be the interior towels to absorb all of the sound. I just kind of measured and then cut them to size. Now once I'd cut and measured all the interior towels, it's time to sandwich them together. Now a lot of people actually used thread. They just sew it together. I don't have the patience for that, so I just took a knife and cut a bunch of holes around the sort of perimeter of the interior towels and just used zip ties, and it worked really well. But I also want to make sure that the towels don't just kind of fall on the inside of the frame itself once everything's put together. So using another full-size towel, I affixed those sandwiched towels to the big full-size towel so that I could then staple that big full-size towel to the back of the frame, which kind of completes it all. From there, I just staple that sort of backside exterior towel to the inside of the frame and then cut the excess bits off of it, and that's basically the end of a sound absorption panel. So once I finished building the sound absorption panels, I wanted to wrap them in fabric because I didn't want sort of ugly exposed towel just kind of hanging on my wall. It wouldn't look too good in video production. So I went out and I wanted to find some sort of neutral color fabric to wrap the sound absorption panels in, which I did. I found gray, which I think looks really nice on video. And I just wrapped all 6 panels in those, and then I just from there went, measured, and hung on the wall where I wanted the panels. I originally wanted 4 panels on the wall, and then I was gonna have 2 extra panels kind of going across the top of the office where you guys wouldn't see. But then I kind of quickly realized that for placement, sound absorption, I wanted all 6 panels in the same spot. So I kind of like ended up getting my wife to assist me in measuring and helping hang the rest of the panels. So now, as you can see, we've got 6 panels on the wall, and moving over to the area where I'm gonna be recording most of the video, or at least my A-roll, my on-camera talking points. Hopefully, that's a stool. Hopefully you guys can't hear as much echo in the studio office as there was before. Anyways, hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully it helped out some of you guys if you were too interested in building some sound absorption panels. Maybe you've got some room echo reverb issues like I do, but that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you in the next one. Cheers.